Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to do a really quick video. There's a special product that's been out for the last couple of days, and in all honesty, it probably resonates me a fair bit because this is where I really sort of like something similar really started me off in generating bigger commissions and started really boosting my profitability. And in all honesty, I think it's something that people should really leverage and take advantage of. So um, what I'm going to do is I've offered for those inside these groups where this is being played, I'm offering a special bonus for a program called Partner and Profit. And this bonus is actually going to be, it's going to have all the reseller rights to every single product that I currently have and that is active. And also I've got some special bonuses as well for those that want to jump on in terms of calls. So I was trying to get this interlinked with my webinar that I just did, but I couldn't do it. So this is going to be included. It's the same bonus. And I really wanted to make sure that I leveraged that because I really did try to connect it and it didn't quite work. So, um, so what this bonus is all about is that I'm going to share the screen real quick. So I'm going to give you a little bit of context on what it is behind this and what it means. Okay. So when I started out, guys, I started promoting 100% commission products because it's great to promote products that are, 50%. It's a great way to start. But at the end of the day, the more money that comes into your pocket, the better. And that's what it's all about. And when you are able to do that, this is where things change. Okay, the more money you get, the more money in the account, the more cash flow you got coming in, and the better the result. All right, for you, and that's what it's ultimately all about. And when I have, something like this coming along, something like this doesn't come along very often because one, the offer needs to be good, which it is. Two, the product has to be standalone on its own as well, and three, it has to actually pay out. And this is something that is very, something that's someone that should leverage straight away and shouldn't miss it. So I'm just making sure that everything's live in all the groups because I want to make sure this message gets out. So with that being said, I'm offering a special bonus for a product called Partner and Profit, which is where you can pick up 100% commissions on these offers for like $9.95. Okay, and usually you pay $167 or $297 when you have to have this sort of program, like when you have to pay for license rights. And anyone can vouch for that because some people, I've had to pay $167 for some products to get that commission bump. And whereas really you shouldn't have to, if you're looking to, there's a cheeky way to be able to do this here, and I'm going to show you. So when I have, this is my vendor stats, so I've completely done the wrong screen here. So I've done literally just by boosting my own profits, and since March 2020, I have done $1.7 million in affiliate earnings. All right, 1.7 million. And this didn't come from just sitting on 50% commissions. This came from promoting 100% commission offers consistently, daily, all the time. And this is where, so for example, Phoenix 2.0, I've sold $127,000 or $128,000 on that. All of that's 100% commissions right there. Google Pay, 100% commissions, nearly 125,000. One page profits, probably around about $90,000 of this is 100% commissions. Okay, all of these that you see here are pretty much all 100% commissions, and this is where the biggest opportunity comes from. Okay, so this is so what this is about essentially is being able to capitalize on bigger commissions, being able to earn bigger commissions simply through just being able to partner with other vendors and being able to take opportunity and being able to promote them, say, hey, I want to jump on you, I want to promote your program, can you give me a commission bump? And this, usually you have to pay for it, and that's normal. But you can literally do this for less than $10. And when you jump onto Michael Cheney's Partner and Profit program for literally $10, and I'll jump over here. So I've got access to the program here, but I'll show you the proof in the pudding right now. So let's go to bonusbyjames.com and line 95. And what he does, he gives you 100% commissions right here. Partner and Profit, a done for your money making system where you can make up $418 per sale without any work to create your online business, which is pretty much true. You don't have to do that. So when you jump on a bonus by James link here, I'm going to throw in these bonuses. Okay, this is where the real big money is, because I'm going to give away all the reseller rights pretty much to all our offers. I'm going to offer in 2 entries to our iPhone contest that we hold on the webinar call. I'm giving away an iPhone, which is pretty cool. You're going to also get reseller rights to Resurgence. You're going to get Endgame and all the upgrades. So the done for you, you're going to get the profit box. You're going to get a whole bunch of cash converting assets. You're going to get unlimited traffic. Plug in those things to the pages, because we send traffic there all the time. So you can build an audience, and being able to use arbitrage sort of for traffic that way, which is pretty cool, which is being able to like penny clicks, literally. You get Exodus, all the upgrades. You get Method X and all the upgrades. You get all the license rights to everything here. And the mega bonus on this one is because it is Affiliate One plus all the upgrades. Affiliate One and all the upgrades. Usually I'm still charging Affiliate One for most upgrades, but this is what you're going to get. Phoenix 2.0 and all the upgrades. And then if you guys get any of the upgrades, I'm going to throw in an extra 10 entries on the iPhone where you can really leverage that. You get the Checkmate software and all the upgrades. Reseller, we've sold over $250,000 worth of Checkmate products, which is huge. So that offer converts like wildfire. You get Phoenix Reloaded. You get Breakout 2.0. You get all the upgrades on everything. The real kicker here is the 5x blast to my 60K buyers list. So this is where literally you guys get to plug in any affiliate link that you want, and I'll blast it there 5 times, to your affiliate link. And this is the power of it. It's $45,000 in the last 30 days. Okay, plus anything on $40,000 here in the last 30 days. So I've done $85,000 in the last 30 days on Warrior Plus and Digistore 24. So that's the power of my list that goes to you. If you can hear, that's my boy in the background. Daddy. So yeah, and then you got the fastest way. So that's the real kicker there. You're also going to get the huge the thank you done for you package. It's all via this link only, this special link, bonusbyjames.com. There's no other way. You can't get these bonuses from any other affiliate. You can't get these bonuses from any other vendor. You can't even get it from Michael himself. You must get it through this link, bonusbyjames.com. And these will be all set up. So if you pick any of the upgrades, all this will be there. And when you get your products delivered, guys, when you buy, you'll get an email from Warrior Plus. All right, must check your email. You'll get a special link to access your Warrior Plus purchase, and this is where your affiliate bonus will be. All right, I don't email out bonuses. If you buy through my link, this will be populated with all these bonuses. Okay, you won't have any issues. So bonusbyjames.com. And this is what you get. So you're pretty much being able to leverage my traffic or my email list that generates these results daily. And then if you even jump on Michael's training, like even here, guys, you get your money link, which is your affiliate link, essentially 100% commissions. If you want to send me that link, I will blast it for you, and you can get sales. And there's a good chance. I can't guarantee it, but there's a good chance you get sales. Okay. If I blast it 5 times, that's probably a very good chance you'll get sales. I still can't guarantee it. But ready-made promos, content, get traffic. It shows you how to use leverage free traffic. You build your audience. It shows you how to build an authority figure as well. So you level yourself up above everyone. get sales. And also, guys, the best thing about this is got a 30-day money back. So if you hate it, you can keep my bonuses, get a refund, whatever pleases you. There's no risk. So all you have to do, guys, is literally go to bonusbyjames.com, grab Partner and Profit for $9.95. There are upgrades, okay? The upgrades are the Premium Partner Pack, which is where you get you become a partner with all of his high ticket stuff. Okay, the cool one is where you can, like, if you promote his stuff and they go through to a webinar and they buy high ticket stuff, you guys get 50% commissions of a $6,000 program. So if you made 10 sales or even 10 full funnels of Partner and Profit, that's $4,000 immediately there with $400 plus per customer. Then you get a chance to earn $3,000 per customer from his high ticket, which is pretty sweet. So this Ultimate Profit Masterclass is also sweet as well. Like, as you can see here, I've unlocked it. I've bought everything. Welcome. You got the welcome here. This is another upgrade here. The 10x Profit Partners. You get access to additional partner programs. Like, this guy's got partner programs everywhere, and he's got proven products. And this guy is a 7-figure vendor for a reason. Okay, so you get point and click profits as well. You get the 10x Profit program, bunches of campaigns, precision profits, recurring revenue, last minute launch campaign, story campaigns, okay, rapid profit plan, bulletproof bonus bundle. You get additional bonuses on top of the bonuses that you get over here just on the front end. Scalable traffic system, customer conversion system, laws of leverage, bonus content empire. So the guy just stacks it. So this is just another upgrade here. He stacks it with tons of content. And then on top of that, you get to earn 100% commissions on it. So literally, if you had one full funnel sale, guys, you have this whole thing paid off just from one customer. All right. And on top of that, you get all these bonuses. And the only way you can get these bonuses, guys, you get all these reseller bundles and everything like that, is you go to bonusbyjames.com. You pick up this for $9.95. You'll get the bonus. Also, if you pick up any of the upgrades, you'll get 10 extra entries into the iPhone contest, which will be drawn on Tuesday. And that will be available for, and I'll notify the winner by email. So yeah, guys, make sure you pick this up on, like I said, even just for $9.95, you get Resurgence, the upgrades, you get Endgame and all the upgrades, Exodus, Rebuilds, Method X, Phoenix, all the upgrades, Mega Bonus, you get the Affiliate One, everything. So just don't look at that. You get everything off Affiliate One. You get Phoenix 2.0 and all the upgrades. You get reseller rights on Phoenix 2.0 as well, guys, even though we're secretly promoting it on the background. But you guys will get access to be able to sell that. Then we got, like I said, get any of the upgrades, one-time bonus, Checkmate software, all the upgrades, done for you pages, autopilot. So this Checkmate software in itself will be able to help you create campaigns, blast it to 40 different sources of traffic. Also on the autopilot, it also leverages other people's content as well, which is pretty sweet. That allows you to be able to, it basically takes really good converting campaigns onto the internet, makes it their own, spins it, makes it its own, and they blast it out there, and they put your affiliate link in there. It's pretty sweet. And then this is the real kicker right here. This on its own, just 5 blasts is probably worth, just from my list alone. Like if I said 5 blasts, guys, it's probably going to make me about anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. So that there is worth it. So, that's probably worth $1,000, $2,000 alone, because if I'm blasting someone else's product, that's revenue loss on my end, but I will honor that as well. So I always honor it. Everyone knows that. So you must do that. Any upgrade. So bonusbyjames.com. It'll take you to this page. It's my special link. This bonus is not available from anyone else. And you must take advantage of that. Okay. All right, guys. $9.95, 30-day money back. If you hate it, get a refund. It's up to you. Keep the bonuses, whatever you want to do. And then, I'm not going to, everyone's different. Some people might like it. Some people might hate it. This here, it's really up to you. This is why we have the 30-day money back, and Michael honors those all the time. Okay, he has a great team, very support. His support team is very supportive. Okay, to claim the blast, you must upgrade to that, and then I'll have a special link with the upgrades, which I'm yet to put in there. Okay, I'll put a special link in there where you can claim, and you can how you can send that link to me. Okay, that's how that's done. All right, so if you have purchased that, the only way that you can do that is purchase the upgrade, access the special affiliate bonus, where it goes to a Google Doc. It'll show you the instructions to send that to me, and then I'll do that for you. Okay, there's a special way of doing it, just to make sure that I know that you bought that through me, because I don't deliver bonuses through email. Okay. So yeah, when you get your receipt, guys, access the affiliate bonus, access your purchase there, access the affiliate bonus once you get you on the upgrades, and then that'll do. Okay. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I think it's very special to be able to get 100% commissions on everything, getting all the license rights, being able to take advantage of those license rights, and then take advantage of my blast. That's probably a huge one in itself. All right, and if that doesn't get results, I don't know what will. But yeah, okay. Like I said, 60-day money back. Sorry, not 60, 30-day money back guarantee. If you hate it, get a refund. But at the end of the day, guys, I think you're going to be pretty happy with the training inside. It's very detailed, it's very informative, and it's very friendly. It's a very friendly, obviously, membership area, friendly to use, and it unlocks everything. And also, if you do get access to the front end, guys, and if you missed out, they do have pages in here if you want to upgrade later. So obviously I've got this unlocked, but they will have, like, if you want to get the premium partner pack later, you can actually click that there and go. It will take you to that sales page. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you go here, bonusbyjames.com. Grab that, and I'll catch you inside. I'm looking forward to you guys jumping on the bonuses. Cheers.